Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you ASTER Multiseat for Linux running in Unity OS from China. So let me show you. Currently I am running 3 workplaces here connected to the motherboard directly here, and on one of this graphics card and another one in this graphics card. So each of the graphics output or graphics card corresponds to one of the workplaces. So now this one is currently logged in with user 3. As you can see here, user account 3 is logged in on this one, and on this one okay, so this one is separate and this one is separate. So in this one, let me check. Okay, so user 2 is logged in on this one. As you can see here, user 2 is currently logged in. Let me switch the input for this one to display port. I have 3 monitors for the 3 graphics source, so I'm using this one 2 input to use as 2 workplaces. So this one is also running, and this one is running logged in as the primary user account, which is the administrator account. So using ASTER Multiseat program in Linux, you can create multiple workplaces easily, even in Unity OS. So that's about it for this video, and if you want to try it out yourself, you can download the ASTER for Linux from our website. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.